Hi guys, thanks for coming again. Today's video will be about how to use inner city buses and express buses. By the end of this video, you will have understood how to use those buses and why we use them. There are basically three types of buses in Korea: city buses, intercity buses, express buses. Using these city buses, you guys wouldn't have any problems and confusions. But when it comes to inner city buses, you can. Intercity buses have two types. One, you can pay with your T-money card, which is no different to city buses. And the other one, you need a ticket to get on board. And these type of buses are not different to express buses. So I'm gonna be explaining this type of buses that you need the ticket to get on board. Korea's subway system is, as I said, it's very convenient, comfortable, and cheap. But they are only in big cities, so these smaller cities aren't connected to Korea's rail network. So the only way to travel to such cities is by a car or by intercity buses, express buses. The benefits of using this bus system is that it's absolutely comfortable and you don't have to stress out driving on your own. And sorry to tell you guys, while I was digging up some information for this video, I realized that there's no way to book a ticket for a bus online without Korean phone number and Korean bank account. If you have both Korean phone number and Korean bank card, visit the website below and book your ticket online. These two pages are available in English, so it might not be a problem for you to book a ticket online. And also I will write it down on the description down below. Have a look. If you don't have them, you need to book a ticket with cash at the bus terminal. And I will show you how to use the vending machine and how to find the platform. Guys, I've come to the bus terminal to show you guys around. This is how the bus terminal looks like. That booth is for you to buy bus tickets. You can purchase tickets with cash or Korean card from workers there. Next to it, there are ticket vending machines. I've looked it up already. This one only accepts Korean card, not even a cash. I asked one of workers why the machine has no cash service anymore. He said they needed workers for cash services anyway, so they got rid of the function. So the only way to buy tickets is go to the booth. Bus terminal has cafes, convenience stores, a bakery, restaurants, an information center, and a pharmacy in general. And some are connected to other facilities such as department stores, subway, etc. Guys, I just bought a ticket at the ticket office. What's important here is this platform number, your seat number, departure. Find your platform. 고속버스 타는 곳. This is where the platforms are. You go out and you will see those signs that show you the platform numbers and destination. My bus is at platform 12. Found it. These buses also have a space for your stuff. If yours is too big to carry on, you can place your stuff there, but don't forget to take it back later. There are two ways how they check your tickets. Either bus driver check your tickets or there's a scan machine. In this case, the bus driver checked my ticket. Around your head, there's a seat number. You can find it easily. And these buses don't have an English announcement, which means you'd have to track where you are not to miss the stop. You can do it with the Naver map or Google Map too. After get off, don't forget to take your stuff back. If they're closed, you can open it by yourself or you can ask bus drivers. One more tip, during the national holidays, the bus terminal will be extremely busy, so that there's a chance of no seats for you guys. So make sure that you guys visit earlier or book a ticket days before if you're planning to leave on holidays. Again, use the Naver map. This app will lead you anywhere in Korea, and also it says whether you need to take an inner city bus or an express bus and the location of the bus terminal. Very useful. That's it for today's video. I hope this video will get you to somewhere you guys wanna be. And also if you have any questions, just comment below, I will get you an answer. Thanks for watching this video again. I hope you guys enjoyed today, and I will see you in the next video. Bye! Korean subway system is as you said. Korea subway system, I said as you know. Oh my gosh. Slowly calm down. Korea subway system in Korea. No. Korea, not in Korea. Korea subway system in Korea. No.